Hi guys, this is a get ready with me video for a weekend getaway. Here I have tried creating a basic makeup look with comfortable simple outfits, but for sure keeping it stylish. Let's begin.
First I'll go ahead with my sunscreen. This is Nivea Sun Protection SPF 50+. For this weekend, I'm going for a movie alone. Yes, it's a movie date with myself. Do you guys do that? I mean, going out for movies alone, because sometimes when I tell people about it, they are like, really? You go alone? How do you go? How does it feel like? I'm like, okay, I'm happy about it. So let me know if you guys do that, because if yes, then how does it feel to you guys? Because I love it. I love having the whole of popcorn to myself. So today I'm watching Veer the Wedding. Are you guys planning to do so? Well, now I'll go ahead with my CC cream. This also has SPF 30 guys. So yeah, in case you don't want to apply sunscreen, you can just apply some moisturizer and go ahead with your CC cream. I just want some light base on my face. This look is about, creating some simple, basic, casual look which now looks stylish, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. Okay, so CC cream is all set, as you can see. What's next? Yeah. Next is Maybelline Compact Face Powder. This one also has SPF 28. So yeah, it's good. This is a highlighter and I'll just put it on the inner corner of my eye. Just a hint. This really brings in some, stylish vibe to your look, to your eyes. And that's why I love it. And if it's just a casual, getaway for the weekend, then little bit is sufficient, I feel. Yeah. So, done with this part. Next, I will just go ahead with my kajal. Again, I'm not going to use my kajal like drawing all over it. Just a stroke on the upper waterline and apply mascara after that, because it's a very simple, subtle eye look, but it looks so gorgeous when it's done. It's like something no makeup kind of a look. Let's do it. It's done. This is the mascara I use. This is Maybelline's Lash Sensational. Well, if I did not tell you about my kajal, it's by Swiss Beauty and I love it. There have been some haul videos in which I have mentioned about it. So in case you haven't watched them, then go watch it. Everything I will link down below in the description box. Now let's go ahead with my mascara. What do you guys think this movie is going to be like? I think the story won't be so good, but maybe I'm just looking forward to style statements those divas gonna make. So let's see what new style we can get to see in the movie. Always define your eyebrows, so brownish shade maybe. For my eyeshadow palette, this neutral shade palette. So just simple stroke, girl. Just stroke it out a little. Very gently. And there we go. There looks the baby. So beautiful. Okay. I think I'm done. What do you guys think? Looking nice or not? And my lip color of the day will be this Sugar. This is a very cute pinkish reddish, I don't know, something between pink and red. It looks very gorgeous, so I'm gonna put this. Since this is a liquid matte lipstick, it takes a lot of effort, to get it done perfectly. That's how it's done. And if it seems red to you, I don't know if the camera is doing justice to the color or not, but it's not red, it's a pinkish shade and I love it. You can try this one. It's called Brink of Pink. Okay, I'm like, okay, simple, chic, the way I want it for my date with myself. Righty, let's accessorize my look. What I'm gonna wear. Actually, I don't want to wear earrings, so I would definitely like my hair to be like this. And just throw in some choker. Ooh la la. What do you think? Alright, I think I'm done for my weekend date with myself.
For my outfit, I am wearing my current favorite, a floral printed palazzo. These are loose and very comfortable, and I am wearing them with a basic forever cool black top. Also, you can glam up your look by adding a pair of sunglasses.
Hey, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and liked the look I created for my weekend getaway. This was very simple, basic and comfortable outfit which I have picked up and put everything together for my weekend, my own date. If you enjoyed this look, if you enjoyed this video, then give the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, this is Sampri signing off.